What's up, guys? Don't observe the right side. It's a lot of mess, clutter. This is what happens when you have multiple gadgets. USB, AC outlet or AC extension, and you get to charge all these gadgets. But here comes on the left side, this is what you're going to observe. This is a multiple USB charger port. Let's see what can this baby do. Here, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, all USB. And it has an auto ID charger. Well, you can charge your Android, you could charge your iOS gadgets. Let's open this one. Yeah. If you're traveling or you just happen to have all these gadgets, well, when you open, you'll see this one, LDNIO. Yeah. This is how small compare to those things on the right side with all those wires. All you have to do is this one, plug in and connect everything here. This even has an extra USB. Let's try. So let's off these things. See, you got yourself a watch. Okay, let's put it here. You got yourself an Android gadget here. Let's put this on the side yet. Here. This is very handy. Wherever you go, don't forget, don't leave the house without this one. That one. You get yourself an iOS. Yes. Now, let's just say you're near to the AC outlet. All you have to do is put it in. This one. Let's try. How does this thing functions? See? Your smartwatch, your iPhone, your Samsung. You can there's still another space here for a tablet. All these things, you're not gonna be carrying this one. So, LDNIO 4.4A charger. USB identify automatically. See? That's all, folks. All you need to bring when you go on travel is this one. That's all. Thank you.